guys, whoa. Hi guys, how's it going? My name's Ciara and this is Color Me Beautiful. And today we are ending it with a bang with my social media inspired makeup series. And as you guys can tell, we are doing Instagram. Oh yeah. Along with Instagram, I am wearing my influential, I can't spell, influential hoodie because I know that Instagram is one of the biggest influences in social media nowadays. So I thought it would fit with the look. So without further ado, let's get on to the look.
Give me some directions to get to you, Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. Yeah, for you, my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you.
Growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me.
Alright guys, here is the finished Instagram inspired look. And I really hope you guys liked it. This was a challenge, let me tell you, with the blue and just everything. But it worked out and I was so happy it did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you liked me, then make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.